What's up, guys? I'm here to do an unboxing of the Flashfish solar portable generator. I bought this bad boy to go camping this week. I use a CPAP machine, so don't want to wake up other campers because we're going to a place where there's a lot of campsites next to each other. And so got this bad boy for my CPAP. I'll let you guys know how it goes after I go camping. But this is the 300 watt. It's got the lithium battery, the AC output, DC output, and then three USB outputs. I don't have a solar panel to recharge it, so I'm just gonna charge it before I head out. We might end up using this bad boy too. I have a projector and I got two kids, so maybe we'll watch a movie or something while we're camping. It might be fun for them, but let me open this bad boy up and show you what's inside. So first off, we got, looks like an instruction manual and a thank you card. Comes with the adapter for the DC. Let's see, pull it out. We do have the DC charger. It looks like we have a USB light for it. And then in here, yep, we have the AC charger to plug it into the wall. So that's everything in here. Pull it out. It's actually pretty compact. It's a little bit heavier than I thought it might be, but less than 5 pounds for sure. Pretty light for, I guess, to kind of compare it for size. Oh, you know what? Here we go. I got a can here for size, so you can kind of see what it looks like up next to the can. So maybe 1, 2, 3, the length of 4 soda cans, about the thickness of 1 soda can. So pretty small, compact. Looks like here on this side we got the power and the DC output, and yeah, the USBs. We got the power, DC input, and then the AC right there, 2 ACs. So pretty cool, pretty lightweight. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Maybe I'll do a different video, or I'll just attach it to this video. Who knows? Going camping for 2 days, so I'll let you know how long this thing lasts on a full charge and whatnot, and running the CPAP and a movie projector. Cool. All right, guys, we're back from our 2-day camping trip. I told you I would give you a review on the Flashfish. Bought this guy from Amazon, 300 watt. Like I said, I was going to use it for my CPAP, mainly is what I bought it for. And then we have a projector so the kids can watch a movie while we're out camping. And we used it for that. I also used it to blow up my air mattress. And so really the first night I blew up the air mattress using this plug. It only took me about like 2-3 minutes to blow it up, so it didn't use up that much power. Used it to charge up my cell phone. And then we watched a movie about 1 hour and 40 minutes. And then I used it for my CPAP, got about 7 hours sleep. And it was all good from there. Like, it survived the first night. Then what I ended up doing was just charging it in my car through the cigarette lighter, and brought it back up, and then used it the second night to charge up my CPAP. So no snoring, wife slept good, kids slept good, I slept great. Definitely a buy. I think this bad boy was only like $180 from Amazon, and obviously you can, you know, if you're a van lifer, it might be a good cheaper option than like the Jackery or the whatever, the Goal Zero, I think is the other one. Those can get pretty expensive. This also's got, like when you turn it on, it's got an indicator. It tells you how much battery you got left. So, I mean, I was using it to charge my phone and everything in 2 nights and 1 charge. So I'm pretty much down to, I don't know, empty. But I think it's a good buy. Like, definitely recommend. And, you know, maybe me and the kids and the wife will go camping again, and I'll give you guys a review on like the tent we bought from Amazon too. It's an 8-person tent. It's pretty dope. I bought a bunch of like gear from Amazon. It was our first camping trip, so definitely recommend. Yeah, it's good. I might even buy some solar panels so I could charge it, so I don't have to, you know, run the car while we're camping and give it a good charge. So cool. Later, guys.